Hello, welcome to the next session of stair construction. My name is Serge Girimbabazi.
Here with Habimana Ingabire Devota. We are both trainers at Rwanda Polytechnic School.
In the previous video, we did the trial assembly.
Now let's see how we can mount our stair.
Hello everyone, I'm Benny Katawizi, a carpentry trainer at Rwanda Polytechnic School. Today I will come into the sixth session of wooden staircase construction. The objective of this session is that at the end of this video, you will be able to prepare the site or the workplace and setting out. The second objective is that you will be able to mount a staircase on the site. I'd like to request you to follow attentively and record the steps so that you may be easier for you for next time. What we are going to do, we are going to prepare our site, then we set out our staircase and we fix it. In setting out, we need to mark the positions of the posts and the stringers based on the designing and the calculations made. Means the dimensions that we calculated, then we have to mark the positions. Position of the stringers, position of the posts, all have to be made. After setting out, the next step is fixing the stair component. Here we are going to use the materials which are screws for fixing the components, but we are having special screws for fixing into the wall. As we use screws, as we need power driller and the fixing bit which correspond together. Apart of fixing materials, we need leveling tool. This spirit level will help us to level the post. Likewise, we need measuring tool to maintain the distances. Therefore, I will use a folding ruler. As usual, we have to begin with the posts and tie them with the stringers. Here we'll start with crossed stringer, which will help us to fix all of the other parts without being disturbed. If setting out is done in proper way, it will be easier for you, or it is going to be easier for us to know the positions of the components. Here we have to tie all the posts with the stringers so that maybe our work can be faster. Now, the following step is to fix the first thread, meaning the first one, so as this may allow us to maintain the distance, means the stair width, and make sure that we do not change the positions of the other components. we have to screw all the stringers tightly onto the post. Then we mount all the remaining threads of the first flight, but not screwing them, because this will allow us to fix the landing frame in the position and we can adjust some little things. The landing frame is fixed into the wall with special wall fixing screws. After fixing the landing frame and the posts, we have to level everything before fixing the upper flight threads, because if we fix the threads, then we will not have any chance to shake anything or to move anything. If leveling is done in a proper way, then all members of the first flight are to be screwed. After that, next step is to fix the landing buttons. When everything is well fixed, then we have to fix the upper flight stringers. Here we need to start with outside stringer, means open stringer, so that you can know the position of the top landing. If it is fixed, it is then easier for us to fix the exit post so as we can fix the upper landing. We have to level and fix the upper landing posts also. If they are all fixed, then we fix the landing frame. And here we have first to check the position of the landing frame. If there is another post, means the final exiting post, then we can also fix it. Before fixing the landing frame tightly in all corners, we have to perform a double check. Then we level everything and we check if everything is leveled before we can fix it. Then after all, we fix the remaining threads of the upper flight.
you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on the e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.
goodbye.